Hey baby dolls, it's me Monique and welcome to the Boutique Girl. And so I made a video yesterday showing y'all some things that I bought at Rose's and City Trends, and I showed you this box right here that I got at City Trends for $6.99. And a couple of you ladies, thank you so much, wanted me to open up the contents of this box. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in here. So this is called Hemp Plus Skin Firming Set with hemp seed oil, rosehip oil. And so I thought, you know what, go ahead and open it up because I just got it yesterday. And so if it's anything like I think it might be, I might go back to Rose's today, not Rose's, but City Trends, and get a couple more of these boxes. So this is what it looks like, and this is the packaging up close and personal. I just love the way that they package this. And for $6.99, you get a body lotion, a body scrub, bubble bath, and body oil. So let's go ahead and open this little baby up. So let's kind of open it here from the side. Like that. Okay, and it's just a little sleeve here. And then you can just open it up here. Very nice, and they have it nicely packaged. Very nicely packaged. My husband's watching Bugs Bunny. Don't ask. My husband's older than me, and he still watches cartoons. So they have it nicely packaged. And man, I'm pretty impressed from what I see already. A pretty substantial container of bubble bath. Some body oil. Okay. Sweetheart, can you turn it down a little? And some body scrub. And body lotion. So basically we'll just say like $1.70 for each one, something like that. I mean, it was $6.99, so you get 4 items for $7. You can't beat it. So there we go. We've opened it up, and let's go ahead and smell it. I can't smell it because it's closed up, but I can definitely smell the rose hip. So this is a pretty substantial tube, and then the body oil. Can smell that. Oh yes, it smells like rosehip for sure. Very nice. Let's go ahead and use a little bit. Nope, it's not gonna come out because it's sealed. But I'm really impressed. And then some bubble bath. And body scrub. I really got it for the body scrub. So perfect for summer. Keeping our skin nice and hydrated and moisturized. So yeah, guys, this is what I got here at City Trends. I really like it. I think that this will make a really nice gift. The packaging is amazing, and I will go back and get a couple more boxes. I was able to get this dual pack Nature Love Tea Tree and Mint shampoo and conditioner at TJ Maxx. And it was on clearance for $10. You can't see, but it was normally like $17. And so I did a review on this. Actually, I kind of Googled it to see what it was worth. And it was saying something like about $26, $27. So I really got a good deal on this. And I love tea tree and mint together to wash these braids. And most importantly, my scalp. This is going to feel amazing for the summer. So y'all, get out to your stores. Have fun. Whew. Think of me when you should go shopping for the girly girl things. And so yeah, ladies, that's it. Stay tuned. I've got so much more to show you. Out of this world, amazing, fabulous things. I just need to put some time and effort into kind of slotting everything together. And so anyway, I love you, but God loves you so much more. Remember that pretty is as pretty does. And I will see you in the next video. Hi, bye. Mwah.